Hello guys! For today's video, ayan po, nag-celebrate po ang aking pamilya ng Merry Christmas. Actually po sa amin po, sa religion namin, wala po kaming Christmas. Kaya lang, nakasanayan na namin mag-celebrate talaga ng Christmas kasi before Catholic po kami. Ayan yung mga tita ko po, ayan, yung mga kapatid ko, pinsan ko po at saka family friend. Ayan guys, yung iba galing pa Davao. Ayan po yung pamilya ko, ayan yung mga kapatid ko, ayan po. Ayan, nag-inuman po sila. May chance gift po sila mamaya. Ayan, guys. Ayan, taking a pictures. Taking pictures. Merry Christmas, everyone. Ayan, guys. I'm so thankful to have this complete family kahit wala na yung lolo at lola namin. At least masaya pa din. Thank you, Lord, to all blessings. Ayan, you are a provider. Ayan, wishing na good health, every one of us, healthy and financial stable, and we will be successful soon and someday. Ayan guys, more blessings to come. Ayan, thank you for everything, Lord, dahil hindi nyo po kami pinababayan. Ayan po yung lolo ko, siya na lang po yung naiwan. Ayan po yung mga kapatid ko guys, 5 po kami, ako yung ati. Ayan yung nag-isang pamangkin ko. Ayan guys, ayan, may chance ko po sila mamaya. Iba talaga mag-celebrate ng Pasko sa Pinas at saka New Year. Ma-feel mo talaga yung bagong taon. Welcome 2025 soon. Ayan guys, may cousin, may youngest brother. Ayan, di-celebrate Christmas. Sana lahat tayo makakatanggap ng regalo. Ayan guys, enjoy lang tayo. And keep praying na happiness and contentment, and we will reach our goal someday. Ayan guys. Ayan. Thank you everyone. Ayan, picture taking muna sila. Ayan po yung kapatid ko. 2 po kami babae. Ayan po. Yung lesbian. Pinsan po namin yon, yung isa. Ayan. Ang sarap talaga mag-celebrate pag sama-sama yung mga family. Ayan guys. Sana all palaging kumakain ng lechon. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!